Load ShaperBox 3 on an effect slot. Next, click the Menu button in the top left corner of the plugin window. From the menu, select Load FXP. Now, browse to the folder where your downloaded ShaperBox 3 preset pack is saved. Select the .fxp preset file you want to use, then click Open. Wait a few moments while ShaperBox 3 loads the preset. Once the preset is loaded, you'll see its settings applied automatically. Next, click the Menu button again, then select Save. In the Save Preset window, enter a name for your preset. Now, click Save to add the preset to your library. If a confirmation message appears, click OK to continue. To access your saved preset, open the preset browser and go to the My Presets tab. You'll now find your saved preset in the list, ready to use in any project. And that's it. You've successfully added a preset to ShaperBox 3.